What kind of finance can truly be in service of life? Coming together under canvas in the ancient Whiteham Woods, we gathered 40 leaders from finance, civil society, policy and academia to explore this question. The crises of climate change and ecological collapse are accelerating, threatening the very systems that sustain life. In response, nature finance has moved into the mainstream conversations. But real investment has been lagging, and what looks like progress is too often optimization at the margins of an extractive system. We gathered to reimagine nature finance, both to explore how to push the boundaries within the system and to dream beyond them. Through immersive experiences and combining play, humor, and deep systems thinking, we built the connectivity, creativity, and courage to fire our imaginations and to begin loosening some of the patterns that keep us individually and collectively stuck. For 3 days, we lived close to the elements, from torrential rain and rolling thunder to majestic rainbows. It was as if nature herself was demanding a seat at the table. From this fertile ground, 6 seeds began to emerge, including regenerative currencies tied to bioregional plans, a boundary-pushing finance vehicle, and the Whiteham Woods Invitation, a concise, actionable set of principles for finance in service of life. We'd love to hear your reflections and ideas to help develop and nurture these and other seeds, and invite you to join the growing movement to catalyze an economy in service of the living world.